This is the phonics chant. Here we go. A, ant. B, bed. C, cat. D, dog. E, egg. F, fish. G, goat. H, hat. I, ink. J, jug. K, kite. L, lion. M, moon. N, nest. O, octopus. P, pig. Q, queen. R, rabbit. S, sun. T, tiger. U, umbrella. V, van. W, watch. X, xylophone. Y, yolk. Z, zebra. Thanks for rapping with me.